Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a freelancer, independent contractor, or anyone dealing with non-employee compensation, you know that filing taxes can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving into a complete guide on how to add your 1099 NEC form to Turbotax for 2025. This step-by-step walkthrough will make the process straightforward and stress-free, so you can get your taxes done right the first time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your 1099 NEC form handy. It's the one that reports income from services you provided as a non-employee. Start by opening Turbotax on your computer or app and logging into your account. If you're starting fresh, select File My Taxes and choose the option for federal taxes. Once you're in, navigate to the Federal section, which is usually the first step in the process. Look for the Income and Expenses category. It's where all your earnings get entered. Turbotax is super user-friendly, so it might prompt you with questions about your income sources. When you see the option for Other Common Income, click on that. This is where you'll find the 1099 NEC entry. Now, select 1099 NEC from the list of forms. Turbotax will guide you through entering the details, like the payer's information, your total non-employee compensation, and any federal withholding. Double-check everything against your actual form to avoid mistakes. Accuracy is key to avoiding IRS issues. After you've entered all the data, Turbotax will let you review it for errors. Take a moment to go over the summary. If everything looks good, hit Continue. You'll then move on to the next parts of your return, like deductions or credits. Remember, for 2025, Turbotax might have some updated features, so keep an eye out for any new prompts related to recent tax changes. Finally, once your return is complete, you can e-file it directly through the platform. And that's it. You've successfully added your 1099 NEC. If you run into any hiccups, Turbotax has great help resources. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tax tips and guides. See you next time.